Welcome to VM Wealth Money Moves, your weekly roundup of the market movements that matter. On the equity market, both the main market and the junior market have been experiencing a downward trend since the beginning of the year. As of Tuesday the 28th, the main market is down 3.26% and the junior market 7.1% year to date. One theory is that investors are taking profits to raise funds for upcoming initial public offerings. Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced expectations of an early February listing of TransJamaica. The highly anticipated initial public offering is projected to be the largest initial public offering of shares ever on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. On the money market, this week's 30-day CD saw the BOJ offering $9 billion. The CD was almost approximately 77% oversubscribed, and the average yield for successful bids was 1.14%. On the bond market, last week investors were risk-off due to the potential economic implications of the spread of the coronavirus. Investors fled from riskier assets to the safe haven US Treasury. This caused emerging bond prices to decrease, while the price for the US 10-year Treasury increased. The general market sentiment has now calmed as healthcare experts have indicated that there are measures in place to contain the virus. The yield on the US 10-year Treasury, which moves inversely to price, traded up 5 basis points to 1.66% on October 28th. The JAMAN 2045 traded as high as $136.06 on Tuesday the 29th, yielding 5.25% after a low of $135.05 the week before. In regional news, the Dominican Republic came to the international bond market Thursday, January 23rd, to raise $2.5 billion. $1 billion was raised at 4.6% for a 4.5% 2030 bond, and $1.5 billion was raised at 5.95% for a 5.875% coupon bond maturing in 2060. On the foreign exchange market, over the past week, the Jamaican dollar has held firm to close at $141.50 on Wednesday, January 29th in the broker market. The weighted average selling rate was $140.91 on Wednesday the 29th, representing a week-over-week depreciation of 34 cents and a year-to-date depreciation of $8.34 or 6.3%. Contact your VM Wealth advisor before you make your next money move. Email wealthinfo@myvmgroup.com.